Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can add PayPal payment gateway in WordPress. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Set up a merchant account. Most payment gateways, including PayPal, require merchants to register an account for secure transactions. Sign up for a business account here if you don't already have one. Complete the necessary verification steps and review your account settings. Step 2. Access your credentials. After your account is active, access the developer dashboard to retrieve your API credentials. Step 3. Install a payment plugin. Select a plugin that supports PayPal expanded checkout and meets your website needs. Our official plugin, PayPal Payments for WooCommerce, supports expanded checkout. Navigate to your WordPress admin dashboard and go to Plugins, Add New. Search for a plugin compatible with PayPal expanded checkout, WooCommerce PayPal Payments. Click Install Now, then activate the plugin. Check documentation for setup guidance if needed. Step 4. Configure the plugin with the plugin installed. You can configure it to connect your website to PayPal. Go to the plugin settings in your WordPress dashboard, often under a section such as WooCommerce Settings or PayPal. Enter the API keys and credentials obtained from your PayPal developer account. These typically include a client ID and secret. Adjust the settings to suit your business needs. Enable specific payment methods, for example, credit debit cards, PayPal wallet. Set accepted currencies. Define additional options such as tax calculations or transaction fees. Save your changes after all configurations are complete. Step 5. Test payment integrations. Before launching, thoroughly test the payment gateway. Many gateways provide a sandbox or testing mode that supports you to simulate transactions and verify everything functions as expected. Use the PayPal Sandbox mode available in your PayPal developer account for testing transactions without real money. Simulate purchases to verify payment flows, ensure accurate order processing, and check for email notifications. After successful testing, disable PayPal Sandbox mode and switch to Live mode for real transactions. Your PayPal expanded checkout integration is now ready to use.